Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Ahmad Fauzi SPD MAK, a Supervisor 1, the Honorable Mr. Dr. Mardi MSE, a Supervisor 2, and the Honorable from all audience. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nindi Aziza Alfriani from Economic Education Study Program, Concentration Accounting Education, Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. In this section, I will to result about my thesis. The thesis is the influence of religiosity, income, and quality of service on the interest of Muzaki to pay professional zakat through Basnas. Case study of Silver 7 in Kanwil Kemenak, DKI Jakarta Province. Agenda style is Chapter 1, primarily Chapter 2, Literature Review, Chapter 3, Research Method, Chapter 4, Research Result and Discussion, and Chapter 5, Closing. Chapter 1. Background of the rule of zakat is the economic aspect. From data center for Basnas said zakat can help the state remove mustahik from poverty 5.28 years, and the social aspect is in fostering gratitude and caring for the others. And the professional zakat law is UU number 23 year 2011 and PMA number 31 year 2019. And next, professional zakat potential is 139.07 trillion for Basnas. And formulation of the problem is, how does religiosity, income, and quality of service affect the interest in paying zakat? And next slide, purpose of the problem is for analysis of effect religiosity, income, and quality of service on the interest in paying zakat. Benefit of research. First, economic benefit make a contribution of knowledge about factors that can affect on interest in paying zakat. The second practical benefit is for researchers can add insight about factors that can influence in interest in paying zakat. For university, as a scientific reference for the other academic community of the State University of Jakarta, and the last for the community as a reference for Muzaki action in determining the interest in paying zakat. The novelty of research is the research used the three independent variables is religiosity, income, and quality of service. The second, the zakat analysis is professional zakat. And the third object of the research is Silver 7 at Kanwil Kemenak, DKI Jakarta Province. And the fourth, data collection is online questionnaire by Google Form and personal sequence data from Kanwil Kemenak, DKI Jakarta. Chapter 2. Theoretical background from professional zakat is professional zakat is the zakat imposed by every Muslim on income as reward for the work. And for what receipt of zakat or mustahik is fukara, masakin, slave, fisabilillah, amil, mu'alaf, gorimin, and musafir. And requirement for zakat obligatory from Gus Arifin 2016 explain is Muslim, Akil Balik and Mumayyiz, Freedom, fully owned asset, Nishab, and last for 1 or 1 year, asset on are more than basic needs, taken from the object, zakat, and halal. The next theoretical background for the basis for determining professional zakat has two statements. First statement is disagreement. The statement disagreement said professional zakat has never been exampled by the Prophet of Muhammad. And the next agreement statement said his income or profession must be paid zakat when received. And the next, the law of professional zakat is Quran Surah Al-Baqarah 267, UU number 23 year 2011. And the next procedure for calculating professional zakat is when nishab in the amount of 85 grams of gold and paid is 2.5%. Religiosity. Religiosity is belief that is balanced with basic knowledge of religion. Dimension of religiosity is confidence, obedience to religious teaching, religious experience, fourth, religious knowledge, and the last, consequence. Income is every income is in the form of money received as a result of work activities. Quality of service. Quality of service is an important part in every company in realizing of customer by tangible, reliability, responsive, assurance, and empathy. Interest in paying is Muzaki arises from the desire of a worker to pay zakat. Indicator is interest, desire, and confidence. And the next slide, relevant research. In the research use 17 relevant research. And the next slide, theoretical framework. Religiosity, income, and quality of service effect on interest paying zakat. Hypothesis in this research use 3 hypotheses. Chapter 3, Place and Time in Kanwil Kemenak DKI Jakarta and the research approach with quantitative research. Population use 207 at Kanwil Kemenak DKI Jakarta and the sample is 191 respondents. Instrument arrangement. First, interest in paying zakat. The result is our table was 0.1420 with 0.05 and all item is valid. And the next, the result of Cronbach alpha is 0.692 and which mean is reach a very high reliability. And the next slide of religiosity, the result is our table was 0.1420 with 0.05 and all item is valid and the Cronbach alpha is 0.763 and the next income. The result said our table is 0.1420 with 0.05 and all item is valid. From the salary data, and the Cronbach alpha is 1.000, and this is the salary data from respondent. And the next quality of service, the results set are table 0.1420 with SIG 0.05, and the Cronbach alpha is 0.767. And data collection technique, the result use documentation, questionnaire, Likert scale, and secondary data. And the next slide, data analysis technique use data quality test is validity and reliability test. And the next test, classic assumption test with normality, multicollinearity, and heteroscedasticity test. And the next test, statistic test with t-test, determinant test, and f-test. And the last test is multiple linear regression analysis. Chapter 4. Data description is the result set characteristic respondent by group, position, years of service, by age, gender, and domicile with 181 respondents. And the data testing analysis. First, classic assumption test. First, normality test results show from the one sample Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, SIG is 0.200 and data is normal. And the next, multicollinearity and heteroscedasticity test, the result is not deficient problem. And the next, statistic test. First, t-test. T-test showed religiosity and quality of service t-count greater than the table 1.97 to 73, while income t-count smaller than t-table. And the next determinant test is 34.1%. And the last statistic test is f-test. The result is religiosity, income, and quality of service collectively affect the interest in paying zakat with f-count 33.778 greater than f-table 2.65. And the next, multiple regression analysis. Coefficient regression is 11.44 for income, religiosity, and quality of service. And the next discussion of research is first, the effect of religiosity or interest in paying zakat has regression coefficient of 0.428 and t-count 0.577 greater than for t-table 1.97 to 73. And the next, the effect of income on interest in paying zakat has a regression coefficient of 0.15 with t-count 0.027 smaller than the table 1.97 to 73. And the next, the third, the effect of quality of service on interest in paying zakat has a regression coefficient of 0.179 with the count 3.934 greater than the table. And the next, The effect of religiosity, income, and the quality of service on Muzaki interest in paying zakat has regression coefficient 11.444 and F-count 33.778 greater than F-table 2.65. Chapter 5. Conclusion. First, religiosity service quality has a positive effect on interest in paying zakat, but income does not have a positive effect on interest in paying zakat. And the last, religiosity, income, and quality of service together have a positive effect on interest in paying zakat. Implication in this result is the lowest average score on religiosity said 19.67%, which is an indicator of obedience to religious teaching. And the next for income variables show 0% for the group salary indicator. And the result of the calculation of the lowest average score on quality service showed 18.80%, namely the tangible indicator. And the next is interest in paying zakat show 25.10% for desired indicator. And the last, research of limitation. First, data collection just by using questionnaire and secondary data. And the next, the focus in this discussion is for three variables: religiosity, income, and quality of service. And the next, study only focus on the interest in paying zakat. Fourth, the location of this research is limited to DKI Jakarta province. And the last in this research is only aimed at one institution at Kanwil Kemenak DKI Jakarta. And suggestion for company, the result of the research above is necessary for the company to make effort to increase interest in paying zakat as follows. First, quality of service variable, and two, income variable. And for Muzaki, it's possible to analyze the factors that are concerned in the interest in paying zakat. And the third, for further research, is possible to determine respondents who fit the research criteria. Okay, thank you for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.